2028 Elantra looks a lot more muscly, weirdly attractive. I didn't think I would like this as much as I do. The interior is really where they stepped up.
I like it as well.
I'm not sure what's going on here.
This is the new Altima.
No. Do you think so?
As far as affordable sedans that people with bad credit are going to absolutely molest and destroy, yeah. I mean, I think the Hyundai Elantra is the next logical step, or the Nissan Sentra.
I was going to say the Sentra is.
It's probably not long for this world either, though.
I said it before, the people who decide not to make their car payments are the same ones who decide not to change their oil or decide not to get their bumper fixed.
One of the guys I worked with in Hawaii, his baby mama came to like pick up his son from like they had shared visitation, and she showed up in like the most clapped Nissan Sentra I'd ever seen, like full front bumper, like a good quarter of it was missing, and you could see the window washer fluid like container literally like bouncing around in the wheel well.
This interior is pretty cool. I kind of like this interior.
I do too.
Tablet taped to the center of the dashboard is kind of getting old, but
yeah, I mean, if I had to pick, I would be more analog. But as far as being an entry-level vehicle for an entry-level price, this is different. And Hyundai keeps making different happen. And even if Logan made this point in the past, even if you or I don't like it, I'm kind of torn on the styling. Even if you or I don't like it, it gets attention, and attention sells cars.
I really like the back. I think it's really cool.
I'm not entirely sure about the light bar in the front, but the back I think looks awesome.
It reminds me of Porygon, the Pokemon.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You know?
It needs to have either the horizontal light or the vertical light.
No, this
not
is unique.
both.
You know exactly what car. It's so hard to make a unique looking taillight signature nowadays.
I agree. Unique doesn't mean good looking.
No, I think it's good.
I can make something unique.
You see the taillights are doing the same thing that the Santa Fe does. They form an H.
Yeah.
That's cool. It doesn't make it look any better in my eyes.
The N line, which is like the step below the N, will have 201 horsepower. The N has not been announced yet, but the old one had like 280.
The outgoing Elantra N is a cool car.
Yeah, the outgoing Elantra N is a cool car.
Yeah.